More skeletons tumble out as probe intensifies in the Pune Porsche accident case. Cops have now found out that the juvenile accused in the Pune Porsche accident case had been driving without a license for a few months.
A Pune neighborhood in protest. The Kalyani Nagar neighborhood where a speeding Porsche, driven allegedly by a drunk teen, knocked down an IT couple fatally on Sunday.
We are right now present at the very same spot where Anish and Ashwini were killed. People from Pune, residents of Pune, citizens of Pune are now on roads protesting. You can see the boards over here, you can see the placards over here.
Where is the action? Are you seeing the action? No, there is no action.
What we need is media as the fourth pillar of democracy, and we need y'all to keep this alive. Otherwise, this case is not going anywhere.
Investigations into the deadly wreck have widened. Pune's crime branch is questioning Surendra Agrawal, the grandfather of the accused juvenile. This is connected to a second FIR which led to the arrest of Vishal Agarwal, the father. Police are questioning him to learn more about his son and grandson. So far, investigations have revealed that the teen suspect had been driving without a license for a month. Before the Porsche, he drove an Audi owned by his father. According to police sources, investigations also showed that the teen spent 69,000 rupees on alcohol in bars before the accident. The crash is resonating in the political arena during elections, with opposition leaders questioning the system.
पूना में अरबपति का बेटा करोड़ों रुपए की गाड़ी चलाता है, 18 साल की भी नहीं है, 18 साल का नहीं है वो, 17 साल का है, इल्लीगली चला रहा है, 2 लोगों को वो मार देता है और उसे कोर्ट कहता है कि 300 शब्द का ऐसे लिख दो।
पुणे की जनता जानना चाहती है, महाराष्ट्र की जनता जानना चाहती है कि किसने फोन किया और इसको बेल कैसे मिली। अभी उनका बयान था कि पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर पे मत जाइए, तो ये पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर किसका था? वो तो सरकार से ही आया होगा।
As outrage grew over the bail granted to the teen within 14 hours, the Juvenile Justice Board reversed its decision and sent him to a child observation center till June 5th.
हमारा दोनों एप्लीकेशन अलाउ किया गया है मतलब जो एडल्ट का एप्लीकेशन था जो फाइल किया गया था उसको आज ओपन किया गया है, उसको 14 दिन के लिए ऑब्जर्वेशन होम में भेजा गया है। दोनों ही ग्राउंड पे हमारा स्टैंड विंडिकेट हुआ है और हम इस केस को आगे पूरी प्रोफेशनल दृष्टि से इन्वेस्टिगेट करके एक वाटरटाइट केस करेंगे। एक्यूज को पनिशमेंट होनी चाहिए, विक्टिम को जस्टिस मिलनी चाहिए, यही हमारा टारगेट है।
A family driver with the Agarwals who claimed to be driving the Porsche at the time of the accident is also being questioned by the police. With Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.